So yeah, nobody in this neighborhood asked for this. It was all me. And I got the earphones on because this thing is absolutely loud. It is almost to the point it's illegal. And I'm sure I gotta install a DV killer somewhere in there because this is outrageous. So I'll try to see if this microphone can pick up. It's almost destroying my my AirPods Pro. You know, they had the noise canceling, but it's almost destroying them. Like I was riding it from the muffler shop over here to my house, and it was not. It was extremely loud. I just feel like everybody's staring at me. But let's go. Let me stand on the other side. Extremely loud. So I'm gonna do a ride around the road. Let me get a helmet and yeah. Let me get my camera now. All right, so let's go for a quick rip, right? Let's down the block, see what we working with. Fuel mapping on it. Oh, that's the ride. It's loud. So yeah, DV killer's coming in soon because my ears hurt and I feel like I've become a target. Red bike, fast bike, litter bike, 1125R, with some aftermarket exhaust. Yeah, I had the popos right looking for me.